The Prophet ﷺ used to make ghusl using almost 3 liters of water only. Imagine, bottles, 3 liters of bottles. These water he made ghusl with. You open the shower and rinse your mouth like in wudu, rinse your nose like in wudu, and then wash your entire body.
So I've got a question. It would be good if you could explain to me on the correct way of performing ghusl, because I have a daughter who has just turned into a young lady, and I would like to teach her the correct way, because I'm not so sure whether what I've done is it the correct way. Thank you.
Barakallah fikum. So Aisha, we've answered this question many times, but inshallah, for the best, we will do it again. Ghusl is divided into 2 types. Both are valid. The reason for doing ghusl is to uplift a state a Muslim is in, which is major ritual impurity, either resulting from getting clean after menses, and this is for women, or resulting from being in the sexual impurity state, resulting out of intercourse, ejaculation, nocturnal emission, etc. So how to uplift this major ritual impurity so that I can pray? You can perform ghusl. Ghusl is or has 2 ways. One, the sunnah way, which is done in steps. The other form of ghusl is the ghusl that suffices, that does the job, but it's not according to the sunnah. So the other way, which suffices, which most people do, is to open the shower and rinse your mouth like in wudu, rinse your nose like in wudu, and then wash your entire body. So the whole body is soaked, washed with water, running water, and this takes like 60 seconds, 2 minutes, maximum 3 minutes. I'm not talking about using soap or shampooing. No, just washing yourself with water. Similarly, if you just dip yourself in the river or in the ocean, rinse your mouth and nose, it's done. So this is number 2. You can pray now. Number 1, which is the sunnah. The Prophet ﷺ way of doing it was to wash your hand 3 times, then wash your private part, then you wash your hands from whatever had gotten to it from your private part, then you perform your wudu normally, and either wash your feet at the end or leave it at the end of the ghusl. Choose either one. Then you put 3 scoops of water in your on your head and rub your scalp so to ensure that water has reached it. Then pour water over your whole body so that ensures that the water has reached every part of your body. Wash your feet, and that's it. This is the proper ghusl, so I hope this answers your question.
So today I woke up and I believed that I had to do ghusl, so I went and did ghusl. It took about like 20 minutes, but then after I finished and prayed my salah, I thought that I missed a part on the inner part of my quads. So a while later, I went and did ghusl again, and then while doing so, I got cold. So I instinctively or automatically, I took some water and I poured it on my head because the water was warm. So does this break the continuity of my ghusl? And then I did wudu because the time of salah almost ended, but I doubted whether I washed my feet properly. So is my ghusl valid? Is my wudu valid? And thank you. May Allah bless you.
Ameen. And you as well. First of all, Ismail, taking 20 minutes to make ghusl is a lot of time. The Prophet ﷺ used to make ghusl using almost 3 liters of water only. Imagine, bottles, 3 liters of bottles. These water he made ghusl with. And it did not take him more than 5 minutes. So taking 20 minutes is a lot. Consuming like 30 or so liters under the shower is a lot. You don't know more than the Prophet ﷺ, and you're not more righteous nor practicing than him. So you definitely are exaggerating. Go back to the Sunnah if you want to follow the Prophet ﷺ to Jannah. Number two, the doubts we get after the form of worship is over are whispers from shaitan. It must be ignored. The doubts we get during the form of worship are valid and we have to act upon them. Example, I'm making 7 rounds around the Kaaba in Tawaf. In the 6th round, I got a doubt. Is this my 6th or 5th? I'm doubtful. I have to act upon this doubt and assume I only did 5, add 2 more rounds. But if I finished my Tawaf thinking I've done 7, I went, while doing sa'i, I get a thought, did I do 6 or 7 in Tawaf? Now I'm doubtful. This is from shaitan. The ibadah is over. Ignore it and continue your sa'i. I finished my Asr prayer and I went to my lazy chair to drink some coffee. While drinking it, I said, did I pray 3 or 4 rak'ah? Ignore it. The ibadah is over. This doubt is from shaitan. Likewise, the doubt you got after your ghusl was from shaitan and your ghusl was fine, and Allah Azza wa Jal knows best.